What's up, everyone? Today I want to tell you about a platform called Handshake AI that is working with major companies like OpenAI to offer remote AI training jobs. But there are a lot of good and some bad parts about this company that you should know about, so make sure to watch this entire video. As always, this is about real and proven opportunities to earn money online, so you can decide if it's worth your time. If you like this type of content, then make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. So what is Handshake AI? Handshake AI was founded in 2014 and is honestly a confusing company to me because it is trying to do a little bit of everything. The company is operating as a recruiting agency, an AI training platform, and an early career network for college students. On one side, it functions as a recruitment platform that connects companies with vetted talent for remote roles. But it also operates in the AI training space by providing human contributors to work on projects that help train and improve artificial intelligence systems. And in addition to that, Handshake AI also runs programs like fellowships and training opportunities, particularly aimed at students or early career professionals looking to break into tech or AI-related fields. One of the reasons Handshake AI has gained attention is because it has reportedly worked with major AI companies and labs like OpenAI, helping supply human input for large-scale AI training projects. This includes things like reviewing AI-generated content, labeling data, evaluating model responses, and contributing to improving how AI systems perform in real-world scenarios. So overall, it's not just a simple task platform, but it's more of a hybrid between a recruiting company, a training pipeline, and an AI data provider. Now let's talk about the kind of work you might actually do on Handshake AI. What is interesting is that some of the work can be very specific and a little weird at times. For example, there was an OpenAI job on Handshake where the contractor's job was to upload work from past jobs to evaluate the performance of AI agents. There was even a job for improv actors to train AI on human emotion that actually paid very well. But for the most part, many of the opportunities fall into AI training and evaluation roles. This can include reviewing AI responses, comparing outputs, labeling data sets, or performing quality checks on generated content. Some roles may be more structured and ongoing, while others are project-based depending on the client and demand. Because of the nature of the work, these roles often require strong attention to detail, good reading and comprehension skills, and the ability to follow detailed guidelines. Some opportunities are beginner-friendly, while others may favor candidates with academic or professional backgrounds in areas like writing, research, or technology. Now let's talk about whether Handshake AI is legit. Handshake AI is a legitimate company, and there are confirmed reports of people working on projects and receiving payment. It has been involved in real AI training work and has partnered with known organizations in the AI space, which adds credibility. However, it's also important to mention that there have been recent concerns raised by some contractors. According to a news report, some workers who contributed to AI projects through Handshake AI, including projects tied to major AI companies like OpenAI, claimed that they experienced issues with withheld or delayed payments. The report highlighted that while the work itself was real, some contributors felt there were gaps in communication and payment processing that caused frustration. So the balanced takeaway here is that Handshake AI is legit, but it's not without controversy. Like many fast-growing companies in the AI space, there can be growing pains, and those can sometimes affect the contractor experience.
Also, if you are simply looking for a remote job that you can do from anywhere in the world on your time, on your schedule, then I definitely recommend checking out FlexJobs. FlexJobs is the #1 site to find remote jobs. There's no ads, scams, or junk. They actually have a team of people that go through each job and make sure that they're not scammy or that they're actually legitimate. And from my experience so far, they really are one of the better websites to check out because they specifically are focusing on just remote jobs that you could do at home. So I've recommended them before. If you haven't checked it out yet, definitely do. I have a link in the description to do that.
Now let's talk about reviews and overall user feedback, which also highlights some of the concerns and bad experiences. The general consensus from platforms like Trustpilot and discussions on Reddit is mixed but informative. On the positive side, there are users who report having good experiences like getting accepted into projects, completing work, and receiving payment. Some people say the work is interesting and more engaging than traditional microtask platforms like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk. On the other side, there are many negative reviews that raise similar concerns. Some users mention delays in onboarding or communication, while others say they were accepted but didn't receive consistent work. And as mentioned earlier, there are also reports from some contributors about payment delays or disputes, which is something you definitely want to keep in mind. A common theme across reviews is that experiences vary widely. Some people have a smooth process and positive outcomes, while others run into issues with communication or consistency. This is very common in the AI training industry from my experience, but it's still something to be aware of. Now, how do you sign up? The process typically starts by creating a profile on the platform and submitting your background information. Depending on the role, you may be asked to complete assessments or screenings to evaluate your skills. In some cases, there may also be interviews or onboarding steps before you're assigned to a project. Because Handshake AI operates partly as a recruiting platform, the process can feel more like applying for a job than signing up for a simple task site. You may need to wait to be matched with a project that fits your background, and not everyone will be selected right away. Now let's talk about what you should know before signing up. First, this is not a guaranteed income platform. Even if you get accepted, work availability can fluctuate depending on project demand. Second, the onboarding and matching process can take time. You might not get immediate access to work, especially if your background doesn't align with current projects. Third, because there have been reports of payment concerns, it's a good idea to track your work carefully, keep records, and stay informed about your project terms. And finally, like with any platform in this space, it's smart to diversify. Don't rely on just one company. Apply to multiple legitimate platforms so you have more opportunities to earn. So is Handshake AI worth it? Overall, Handshake AI is a legit and evolving company in the AI training space. It offers interesting opportunities, but also comes with some risks that you should be aware of before applying. If you're interested in AI training work and are open to a more structured application process, it could be worth trying. It offers access to real projects and the potential to work on meaningful AI-related tasks. But at the same time, you should go in with realistic expectations and understand that the experience may not be perfect.
And if you found this content valuable, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.